Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a makeup tutorial. I know everyone's so excited. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in 2 months, so this is kind of a big deal. And this look came out super good. I was just playing around and I came up with this. So before we jump into this video, I just want to say this is in partnership with Cacharel. They're a new fragrance company. They flew me out to New York actually to go to their launch event. And this is what it looks like. It's called the Yes I Am Cacharel perfume. This box is super cute. The packaging is so cute, you guys. Packaging is such a big thing for me. And look at this. It's like a lipstick perfume bottle. It's so cute. It just looks like this. Let me actually put it up closer so you guys can see it. But yeah, it's just like a really spicy, oh my god, like a spicy fragrance, like something you would wear to go out on a date, you know? It just gives me that vibe. It's like a fruity cocktail mixed with raspberry and mandarin. It smells so good. So yeah, I will leave the link down below to where you guys can purchase this. Don't forget to check that out. And with further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. It's been a hot minute since I've done a makeup tutorial. I think the last time I filmed a makeup tutorial was 2 months ago. I'm so sorry for that. I don't know, makeup just hasn't been my cup of tea. But you know what? I'm back. I'm coming in hot. So this makeup look was supposed to be my event makeup look that I did when I was in New York, but you know what? My mind just started wandering and this is what we got. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. And yeah, let's just jump into it. I kind of used a lot of different palettes, so I'm just gonna prime my eye with the Tarte Shape Tape. I kind of already had concealer on my eye, but it dried, so we're just gonna put a little bit more so it's more tacky when we apply the eyeshadow. Yeah, so I've just been everywhere, honestly. My brother came for a while, so didn't really get to film when he was here because I was trying to spend time with my family, you know? And then your girl needed a vacation. She needed a vacation. So I went to Mexico. That was hella fun. Mexico was so fun. We went to Cabo. If you guys didn't see my Cabo vlog, I'll link it up here. Go click on and watch it if you want. But I'm finally home. Honestly, when you think about traveling, it sounds really fun. You're like, oh yeah, I just want to go travel. But then when you're gone for so long, it's just I just want to be home. I just want to be in my bed. At least that's how I always feel. When I'm traveling for a month or so, I'm just I get homesick the first 2 weeks. Within the first week, honestly. So I'm just gonna dip into this Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette, and I've actually never used this before, but this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna dip into this color right here. And I used I used 2 brushes for this look. But this is the brush that I used for most of the eyeshadow. This is the T64 brush. It's just a small tapered brush. You can really get into your crease with this. So I'm just gonna take this color and lay this down and make sure there's no creases. And I always do tapping motions first. You guys know how it is. You guys know the drill. So once I lay that down, I'm just going to blend it out. Soft circular motions, that's what we're doing. It's kind of cool though when you don't set your base for your eyeshadow, it kind of just blends itself. I don't know, it's so weird. I'm barely even blending it and it's already blended out basically. Some people say that not setting their base makes their eyeshadow patchy. And sometimes it does, but I feel like it's just the eyeshadows. If the eyeshadows are good, your eyeshadow is not going to become patchy if you don't set your base. So that's just my theory on that. And then I'm going to dip into the Morphe 39A palette. And this palette is so pretty. Honestly, I feel like I've never used this palette actually. Or maybe I have, I can't remember. But gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I'm going to just dip into this color right here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to lay that color down. Then I took this yellow shade from this ColourPop Cute as Fuck palette. I don't know, it's kind of bright. I don't know if you can see. But it's so pretty, like, wow. I keep saying that about every palette. I use this yellow shade, but it didn't really come out how I wanted it to. But we still made it work, so. I haven't found a really good yellow eyeshadow that I like. So if you guys know of one or you guys have a favorite one, let me know. Because I feel like yellow is a staple usually in an eyeshadow look. Well, an eyeshadow look like this, you just need a yellow. I just took that, and this is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, and I'm just gonna blend that on top of everything, kind of mesh it together. If you guys are wondering what happened to my finger, when I was in Mexico, we were on the jet skis and I literally broke my whole nail off, so yeah, that's how my jet ski experience went. That shit hurt so bad, and I wanted to put my finger in the water so bad, and then Alex was like, "What are you doing? There's sharks." I was like, "You right." If you guys have ever broken your actual nail off, you know what I'm talking about. That's like a different type of pain. I was trying to keep it together because we still had more time on the jet skis. I was really trying to keep it together. Now I'm going to deepen the shadow even more. I'm going to go in with this black right here, and then this like dark purple shade right here, and I'm just going to mix those two together. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using the, oh actually, I thought this was a MAC 242, but this is the Anastasia number 18 brush. And then to set the lid, I'm going to take that yellow shade again. I kind of switched it up from what I was going to do, so I'm just going to do the exact same steps that I did even when I messed up, so it'll look the same. So I'm just going to set it with this yellow shade. So I set that, and then I actually took this shade right here. It's like a shimmer shade, and I kind of lined my crease with that, and I was going to keep it like this, but then I was like, that's ugly. Because the yellow shade wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So I took this MAC Cosmetics Dazzle Shadow Liquid, and this is in the shade Flash and Dash. Actually, no, I missed a step. So I took the black shade, did this for the outer corner. And then I took the shadow and I just filled it in. This is the eyeshadow look. Now I'm just going to put on my lashes and I will be right back. I'm going to put the Makeup Shack lashes in Dubai on. Okay, so now we're going to move into the base, and I'm just going to use the CEO Sunday Riley moisturizer. This is just going to, oh my gosh. This is just going to be my primer, honestly. This is a super good thick moisturizer. Look how glowy that just made my skin. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the Makeup Forever foundation and the NARS foundation together. Wow, this is like my perfect color. It matches perfectly. You guys, I have been able to get my foundation color right for the longest time, and I'm so happy about it because you guys know that I used to not get my foundation color right at all. Your girl's been doing good with that, just know. I can get my foundation color right when I'm more tan. when I'm paler, I just can't. I don't know why. Like, everything is usually too yellow, too dark, too whatever, and I just don't know why. By the way, I have a planet on my face. Right when I was like getting happy about my skin clearing up, this popped up. So we're just gonna make that a beauty mark and go about our day. This is such a good combo, you guys. Like, these two foundations mixed together is such a good combo. My skin just looks so nice. I'm gonna use the new MAC Studio Fix concealer. This concealer is so bomb, you guys. This one is kind of like the same color as the foundation, but whatever. It's just so hydrating, but still has that coverage. I saw someone use this for their eyeshadow base and it looked so good. Like, just their eyeshadow base just looks so smooth, and oh my god. If you saw it on Twitter, you know what I'm talking about. And then I'm just gonna set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Laura Mercier actually just came out with a radiant translucent powder. I haven't tried it yet, but I really want to. Let me know if you guys have tried it and let me know if you like it. So I've only been like setting my under eyes and cheeks with translucent powder lately, and then the rest of my face just a pressed powder. So the pressed powder I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro Face, and this is in the shade Nude Beige. I've just been liking that better rather than putting translucent powder all over my face, because I feel like it takes the color of your foundation away. So, and this just makes your face a little bit more glowy, like it's not super matte. If you're oily, then I wouldn't recommend this. I would just set your whole face with translucent powder. I'm kind of combo skin, but honestly, I don't even care if my face looks oily. Like, I like looking glowy. Oh my god, for a second I started freaking out because I thought I lost my bronzer brush. And this is like the only brush I use to do my bronzer with. It just gets right in there. This is the T22 brush. I'm using the Beached Bronzer by Urban Decay in the shade Bronze. And then I'm going to go in with some blush, and I'm just using the Anastasia Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm going to use the shade Nectarine, which is this shade right here. And then everyone's been asking me what highlighter I've been using lately, and I went back to my old favorite highlighter, which was the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. And it's just like a champagne-y highlighter. But first I'm going to set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm just going back to a lot of old products that I used to love. So I'm just going to set my face. Honestly, if you guys don't have this brush for your highlighter, you need it. It's the Anastasia A23 brush, and this is the best highlighting brush. I swear to you, it's never let me down. It's so good. I literally cannot use any other brush to do my highlight. I just made little moles on my face, on my two pimples. This is what everything is looking like. I'm just going to do my lower lash line off camera because, I don't know, you basically just put the same colors that you put up here on the bottom. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put any different colors or anything like that. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it, and the lip color that I used is the Jouer Lip Pencil in Nude. And then I mixed it with two lip glosses, so the ABH lip gloss in Dainty and then the ABH lip gloss in Undressed, and this is what I got. So yeah, give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below what kind of looks you want to see me do and what kind of videos. If you guys want an updated brow tutorial, let me know. I know a lot of people have been asking me, or an updated skincare tutorial, just whatever. Comment your thoughts down below and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.